creating content for the Rethink program. Follow me real quick while I just make something real quick for just like a little post on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So it ended up not being a post for Instagram. It actually ended up being a video concept that I had for some affirmations regarding the page. This page is all about positive transformation and delivering motivational and inspirational content. So that's what we're working on right now. So what we're going to work on is delivering 25 confident affirmations. So as you can see right now, I am using a template that I have for YouTube thumbnails when it comes to this page. I took a photo from pexels.com and it's free to use, and I'm going to credit the photographer in the description as well. So I'm making that the brand white and black element, right? After that, I'm going to edit the text to match what I want to say in the title. Maybe this is something that will make people want to come and check out the video. After this, I'm doing a little editing to the photo to make it a little more contrasty for me. That feels about right. Yeah, so I think this thumbnail is done. Let's go ahead and bounce it out, keep it moving. Next, I'm gonna just speed up these videos right here. This is just a real quick summary of me editing up the video. The video is gonna end up being about 35 minutes long. So instead of holding you through that whole process, here's what we're gonna do, just speed it up. Here's me editing the color a little bit, waiting for it to render so I can go ahead and start to add the captions to it. I love these bold captions in this font. And that's my little graphic on how I'm gonna bounce it out, and I think that is it. So yeah, I hope y'all appreciated this. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next.